một cười lên người ra với cái câu lòng nhau của trẻ.
Gosha was frightened. She did not know how to answer Dunzer. She tried to escape, but Dunzer had a tight grip on her wrist. Dunzer, Chakwa, Momona.
Nếu cho các bậc cả ta cũng sẽ thấy như thế.
Wali, Nakajaku, Makeka. Dunzer let go of Gosha's wrist and stepped back.
그게 그는 저는 그분이 시계를 흔들.
Cứ miệng Gosha, thì có tại sao mình thành thật, nên thì lúc vậy có thứ.
có ai chứ?
Chị sang chạy, cô chị ấy đưa ra, tôi nói tôi bắt các sự, tôi chỉ mong cô có thìเป็นของแต่เพื่อนชม
tất gì cũng có được cụ, tất sao vậy?
tôi chỉ mong cô có thì ý chí đó, in đỡ tôi có được cái này.
Không bao giờ, chỉ là có.
Nhưng đỡ tôi có được cái này.
你为什么我的告诉大家制作给那是别人的公司，以前我们自己，我们对这个公司，以前对一个使用。
因此，我们好多节奏安排好，第三个月，对人们讲对看过年，对开始的他们做给已经走了，然后呢，我打个我拿第一。
你为什么怪别人家，以为的，你那个岛，不经常的，那有个选择。
真正要不还要不管哪个人，但是你不好。
你为什么不就的，你做生活这么自然，你去对恐慌。
Dunzer grabbed Gosha's hand and both stared into each other's eyes. That was when Dunzer knew that his luck has finally arrived.
我一生人，在万众游戏，他到了我梦里，他到了真心。高雅独立，高雅独立，才能走自路，我不知道啊。
They did housework together, went places together, and gardened together as well. With each love and dedication, all of Dunzer and Gosha's hard work finally paid off. They were starting to look like any other families out there. Dunzer was no longer poor. Although their lifestyles have improved, Dunzer and Gosha still tend other people's fields for extra money. One day, Dunzer and Gosha went to the field together. Dunzer made a hole on the ground while Gosha planted the seeds.
你为什么不杀掉？
鸡沙锅。
少一点。
Dunzer and Gosha walked towards the basket, and Dunzer grabbed the water bottle. He gave it to Gosha to drink first, then him after. While Dunzu was drinking the water, Ngosha saw that he was working out in sweat. So she pulled out her handkerchief and wiped Dunzu's sweat away. Dunzu grabbed Ngosha's hand and both stared into each other's eyes. Before Dunzu could do anything, they were interrupted by a
Chỉ nên là linh từ bây giờ nghe nhau thời cũng nhận đến chữ đây. Người ta cho là xét vô các nghệ chữ đến đây. Những người như thế này, hay là những cái này có chút bạn. Tôi tin rằng không về người cả.
Chúng bây giờ mong rằng rồi sẽ có tâm trí này.
Chúng sinh chỉ có thế, tôi có nhận vấn đề. Người ta cũng có thể là tăng một thế, những cái sản phẩm kiểu sinh hóa học luôn.
Watched as Dunzu and Ngosha went back to tend the field. He stayed in the garden house and watched Dunzu and Ngosha from afar. He noticed how caring and loving Ngosha was towards Dunzu. She was always stopping and taking care of Dunzu. Deep inside, Hongjong was imagining what kind of life he would have if he had a wife like Ngosha.
我说这个年龄能够去放吗？你这个人很难，你这人拿的是你主要的不是。
Hongjong visited the field often, pretending to run some errands for his parents. Being the understanding people they are, Dunzu and Ngosha never questioned Hongjong's appearance. Hongjong befriended the young couple and started planning on how to steal Ngosha from Dunzu. He soon earned the couple's trust and was welcomed to their home. When Hongjong arrived at the couple's home, he noticed how nice the house was and the items inside. He knew that if he married Ngosha he would too live a luxurious life. Hongjong came up with a plan on how to steal Ngosha from Dunzu.
Cũng mà tao có tương tự một cái mà trong có sự phản.
Hongjong visited the couple more often at their home. One day he overheard Dunzu telling Ngosha to stay home while he goes to the field by himself.
昔時佢用我哋你全部一次會絕殺跟嘅。
但是嗰時都啱問我，我聽但細個，我就成個殺人。
Rupanya, kutua ni na dewana. Inusi ichimaku, kumakusu na.
Falling down with the blue.
Hongjong smiled to himself and said,
Chaka, tadi kena turun ke sepak.
The next day, Hongjong came really early and hid behind a tree. He waited until Dunzu left the house to go kidnap Ngosha. Said as she opened the door, she saw that it wasn't her husband, but Hongjong instead.
Cái啥? Hongjong, cái cô đó. Tôi ra kia thấy được cái gì? Đừng phải chỉ nhớ chị là, đừng phải ốp tế là.
Tôi chỉ nhớ đâu nào đâu tôi dân, tôi đâu nào đâu có.
Hả? Tất thấy đâu đi cả?
Mình có gì không phải? Mình nhìn có được rồi. Mình có được cùng này, đừng có thôi. Mình chỉ có lo là sao đi.
Hongjong, chỉ có người đó. Tôi ra kia phải chống chạy có phải chị.
Ngosha walks towards the door and opened it.
Tôi thở vào công.
Nhưng chỉ một thứ, có được chỉ một cái sự.
Hongjong grabbed Ngosha by the hand and dragged her out with him. While trying to get her out the door, Dunzu was on his way back home because he forgot to bring a small garden tool. Lindsay walked past the tree Bongjong was hiding behind earlier and saw Bongjong trying to pull his wife out of his house.
你这么干搞，搞完了几个不管你，叫人打心哦。
Push Bongjong back. Bongjong let go of Ngozi Ba's hand and hit Dunzai.
太多了，搞，你们搞什么？
你要撞你，我不会帮你，我才好。
啊，搞死了！
Dunzai got back up and pulled Ngozi Ba behind him.
你是半夜不半夜，就半夜。
Bongjong got even more angry at Dunzo and started throwing punches around. Dunzo, not going to settle at being looked down at, started to fight back. Ngozi Ba is in the back, telling both men to stop fighting. Dunzo threw one last punch and Bongjong ended up on the ground. Ngozi Ba grabbed Dunzo and hit Bongjong again. Dunzo gained control of himself and backed away from Bongjong.
王总，我做这几年一定不年的苦，但是我们都醉了，一苦了不能停，天很多苦，不愿意不管年，不要只让人离杀，让你了么，就好陪，不讲了不要不跟在一起死，他自己，我不得不年知道。
Bongjong saw the generosity Ngozi Ba had towards him, even though he just did a terrible deed to hurt Dunzo.
Từ xa thì yêu của tôi tất cả những người tôi đã qua thì nó nhanh được xong thì khi tôi có rồi tôi dùng lúc chỉ tao
Dunzo helped Bongjong up from the ground.
Chúa có chân sản lên đó mà sai để nó có chỉ có gì thế cho con là gì
王总，如果在这里不年，不被都白离杀，我更别让人。
Dunzo took Ngozi Ba by the hand and walked into the house.